The drive from Kandolim to Amboli is more than just a commute. It's an adventure through the ever changing landscapes of Goa and Maharashtra. From coastal plains to misty ghats, the journey offers a preview of the natural beauty that awaits you at Mrugaya expeditions. It's a delightful blend of relaxation and exploration, making the drive as rewarding as the destination itself. After the picturesque drive, you'll find yourself in the lap of nature at Mrugaya Nature Expeditions, surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds and the aroma of the forest. The destination is as rewarding as the journey itself. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or simply someone seeking tranquility, this drive offers the perfect prelude to the adventures awaiting you at Amboli.
The Indian blackbird or Nilgiri blackbird is a beautiful and melodious songbird found primarily in the Indian subcontinent. It is a member of the thrush family and exhibits notable differences in appearance and behavior across its range. Physical characteristics: size: medium sized thrush measuring approximately 23 to 25 centimeters in length. Plumage: males typically black or dark slate gray with a bright yellow or orange bill and eye-ring. The extent of blackness varies depending on the subspecies and region. Females: brownish black with streaked or mottled underparts. Their bill and eye-ring are duller compared to males. Juveniles: resemble females but with more prominent streaking and mottling legs, yellowish or pinkish. Distinguishing features: the contrasting orange-yellow bill and eye-ring in males are the most striking features, making them easy to identify. Habitat and distribution. Geographic range. Found in India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, especially in hilly and mountain regions. It is also distributed across the Western Ghats, Nilgiri Hills, and the northeastern Himalayan foothills. Preferred habitat: forest, particularly in evergreen and semi-evergreen areas. Secondary growth and plantations, urban parks and gardens in hilly regions. Typically found at altitudes ranging from 1000 to 3000 meters, but may descend to lower elevations during cooler months. Diet: omnivorous, feeding on a mix of insects, earthworms, berries, and fruits. Often seen foraging on the ground, turning over leaf litter to uncover prey. Fruits such as figs and wild berries form a significant part of their diets. Behavior: generally solitary or found in pairs, especially during the breeding season. Known for their shy and elusive nature, but may become more conspicuous in urban gardens. Active during dawn and dusk, often vocalizing melodiously in the mornings. Breeding and nesting. Breeding season varies with location, but generally occurs from February to June. Nest: cup shaped, made of grass, moss, and mud, lined with fine roots. It is usually placed in dense foliage or low shrubs for concealment. Eggs: 2 to 4 eggs, pale blue or greenish with brownish speckles. Incubation and rearing. The female primarily incubates the eggs, which hatch after 12 to 14 days. Both parents are involved in feeding the chicks, which fledge in about 14 to 16 days. Vocalizations. Song: the Indian blackbird is known for its melodious, flute-like song, often compared to that of the European blackbird. Its song includes a series of rich, varied notes, often delivered from a perch or while foraging. Calls. Alarm calls are sharp and repetitive, often described as chack-chack sounds. Cultural and ecological importance. Role in ecosystem: plays a significant role as a seed disperser for many plant species. Helps control insect populations, contributing to the balance of forest ecosystems. Cultural symbolism. In some regions, its melodious voice is associated with tranquility and is cherished by local communities. Tips for observing the Indian blackbird. Best time to spot early morning or late afternoon when they are most active and vocal. Preferred locations forest edges, wooded gardens, or parks in hilly regions like the Nilgiris or the Western Ghats. Behavioral clues. Look for them foraging on the ground or listen to their rich melodious song. Interesting facts. The Indian blackbird was once considered a subspecies of the Eurasian blackbird and is now recognized as a distinct species. Males can mimic the calls of other birds, adding complexity to their songs. Their adaptability to urban environments has made them more visible in places like hill stations. In conclusion, the Indian blackbird is a fascinating bird, appreciated for its beauty, behavior, and song. Its presence in the forests and gardens of the Indian subcontinent not only adds charm to these landscapes but also serves as an indicator of ecological health. Preserving its habitats will ensure that future generations continue to enjoy the sights and sounds of these remarkable species.
The pied kingfisher. The pied kingfisher, one of the most striking and widespread kingfishers, is an iconic bird often seen near water bodies. Its unique black and white plumage and incredible hovering behavior make it a fascinating species to observe, especially in biodiversity hotspots like Amboli, a hill station in the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Physical characteristics. Size. Medium sized kingfisher about 25 to 30 centimeters in length. Plumage. Head and neck black ground with white streaks and a characteristic black eye stripe extending from the bill. Body. Black and white plumage with a distinct black breast band, two bands in males, a single incomplete band in females. Wings and tail. Black with white markings giving a checkered appearance in flight. Bill, long, sharp, and black, adapted for catching fish. Eyes, sharp vision, allowing it to spot prey even in water. Preferred habitat. Freshwater bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, reservoirs, and marshlands. Found near brackish water in some coastal regions, but prefers clear water for better visibility of prey. Range in Amboli. Often seen near waterfalls, streams, and forested water bodies where it perches on rocks or low branches. The lush greenery and perennial water sources of Amboli make it an ideal habitat. Diet. Primarily piscivorous, that is, fish eating. Occasionally consumes aquatic insects, amphibians, and crustaceans. Catches prey by diving headfirst into water after hovering above it. Hunting technique. Known for its ability to hover in midair like a hummingbird while scanning for prey. After spotting a fish, it dives swiftly and accurately using its sharp bill to snatch the prey. Returns to a perch to beat the fish against the surface to kill it before swallowing. Behavior. Highly social, often found in small groups, especially during non breeding seasons. Vocal with a sharp, repetitive chirp chirp call, frequently seen perched near water, surveying the surroundings. Breeding and nesting. Breeding season varies across regions, but in India it typically spans from February to May. Nesting excavates burrows in riverbanks or sandy cliffs, sometimes up to 1 meter deep. The female lays 3 to 6 white glossy eggs inside the burrow. Parental care. Both parents share responsibilities for incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Significance of spotting in Amboli. Amboli, part of the Western Ghats, is known for its unique flora and fauna, making it a prime spot for birdwatching. The pied kingfisher's presence highlights the health of the aquatic ecosystem in this region as it relies on clean and fish rich water bodies. Interesting facts. The pied kingfisher is the only kingfisher species capable of hovering in still air without the aid of wind. Unlike many kingfishers, it doesn't rely solely on tree cavities for nesting, opting for burrows instead. It is one of the few bird species that can successfully swallow prey underwater during its dive. Role in ecosystem helps control fish populations, maintaining a balanced aquatic ecosystem. Acts as an indicator species reflecting the health of freshwater habitats. Cultural significance. Often admired for its beauty and hunting prowess, the pied kingfisher is a symbol of patience and precision. In conclusion, spotting the pied kingfisher in Amboli provides not just a white visual delight but also an insight into the intricate balance of the region's ecosystem. Its hovering dives and sharp calls are a testament to the thriving biodiversity of Amboli, a gem of the Western Ghats. Protecting habitats like these ensures that such remarkable species continue to flourish. Adios, my birding friends. See you all next in episode 2 Amboli.